In this video, World Premiere 2024 Nissan Ariya Nismo. The Nismo EV crossover has exclusive styling, a retuned chassis, and higher peak output compared to the standard version. We hope it's coming to the US. The electric Nissan Ariya SUV has just received a Nismo variant. It earns exclusive styling inside and out, retuned chassis dynamics, and an increased peak output from the electric motors. Nissan says the more powerful version will launch in the spring in Japan, and we're hopeful it will make its way stateside shortly after. Already, the Nissan Ariya is a more appealing choice than the Leaf that came before it. Nissan's new electric SUV features a surprisingly nice cabin and a respectable driving range, but it lacks the excitement factor. That could be about to change, though, with the recently unveiled Ariya Nismo, which is headed to Japan. The Ariya Nismo is based on the E4ORCE model from the brand, which gains additional power and all-wheel drive by adding a second electric motor to the back axle. Though the specifications are still being worked out and disclosed, it appears that there will be two versions. The cheapest model, known as the B6, uses a 66.0 kWh battery pack to provide 362 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. The more powerful B9 variant delivers 429 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque from a bigger 91.0 kWh battery. We know that a set of 20-inch wheels will transfer power to the pavement, but we don't yet know how much faster the Nismo version will be. We were able to reach 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds when testing a 2023 Nissan Ariya E4ORCE Platinum Plus. With all-wheel drive. Sufficient, yes, but uninteresting. With the additional 40 horsepower, we hope that figure will rise to something a little more remarkable. The Nismo team's engineers tuned the power delivery to increase acceleration and the thrill of driving the vehicle. Nissan introduced a new Nismo driving mode in order to achieve this, which the company claims is all about responsiveness. The company also offers an option to add noises from the sportier variant that are evocative of Formula E racing. More chassis component tweaking ought to improve the Ariya's handling on rural roads. The Ariya Nismo's exterior and interior have been altered to correspond with the moniker. The car's distinctive red accents are visible down the bottom, and the inside is trimmed in black and red with larger sport buckets up front. In Japan, sales of the new flagship Ariya are expected to begin in the spring. After contacting Nissan regarding possible availability in the US, Car and Driver has not received a response.